prophets told, where hearts grow weary, faith grows cold. But in the silence of the night, a promise still is burning bright. The world may shake, the nations cry, but still we lift our heads up high. For every word He said is true, and He is coming back for you. Don't let your heart be led astray. His word will never fade away. When we hear the last trumpet sound, the heavens shake, the earth bows down. Every knee will hit the ground when Jesus comes in glory crowned. Hold your faith, don't lose your way. He is coming on that day. Lift your voice and sing it loud when we hear the last trumpet sound. There's great hope beyond the cross, where mercy covered every loss. The Savior gave His life for me and broke the chains to set me free. My King, my Maker is coming back. Keep your heart on heaven's track. Through the fire and through the rain, His promise still will remain. Every tear will fade away on that bright and glorious day. When we hear the last trumpet sound, the heavens shake, the earth bows down. Every knee will hit the ground when Jesus comes in glory crowned. Hold your faith, don't lose your way. He is coming on that day. Lift your voice and sing it loud when we hear the last trumpet sound. The skies will burst with a loud bang. Angels lift a mighty song. All creation will proclaim Jesus Christ is coming strong. No more sorrow, no more night, only everlasting light. Every wrong will be made right when He steps into the fight. When we hear the last trumpet sound, every fear will fall down. He is coming, King of Kings. Hear the victory that it brings. Stand in faith, don't turn around. Keep your feet on holy ground. Lift your voice and sing it proud when we hear the last trumpet sound. When we hear the last trumpet sound, He is coming, glory crowned. Forever faithful, forever found. When we hear the last trumpet sound.